So guys, we'll play Teardown, and now we're Super Mario, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
And I'm in a Super Mario. Wow, look. I can go off because this is the border in the real game. Yes. You see that? We have to kill him. Does he see me? I don't know. Like, look at this bush. It's flat like a pancake. Like, look, lucky block. But
It's so hard.
no. Okay, then big guns. What? Is that a peanut? Yeah. I don't know. Look, look, look. But then they squashed them. Okay. Have to woo! Do. No clouds there. Shoot the clouds down. B. Okay, we go over that. Do. Woo!
Parkour. A little.
Yeah. And my. Let's see what is that. Come here, come down here. There's like a mushroom, I think. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Means I got a super out. Look, special powers. Mario. Squashed him. But, hey. Mario.
The snake.
But then I just run to them and destroy them, okay? Mario! Yeah! Mario, up that. Look at this big hole, look! Look at that big hole.
Oh. Well, better make that parkour.
Whoop! Look, another lucky block. There's nothing in it. Cool. I think there has to be a point there. I think, yeah. Yeah, destroy him. Destroy. Yeah. That. Go down that.
Maybe if you can.
Oof.
No.
There's that hole is where the plant comes out, yeah?
Oh, maybe, yeah.
Look at the finish.
The finish or second level.
Okay. Let's do it. I got it.
Yeah, but there's behind.
Wait, what's behind?
There's.
Let's see what's in this castle.
A mushroom, like what?
I'm gonna shoot it. Who is he?
Explosive stuff. Probably.
Okay.
Can you go in that?
Mario!
No.
No, I can't go in. It says it's just been 4 minutes. What do you have to do? Destroy all place?
Oh, second level. There's no second level?
No, there's no second level. What should you do? Maybe
Enough? Down.
Yeah?
You win.
4 minutes? You see, that's going to be like a small video, yeah. I think, yeah.
You won.
Then, yeah. Means thanks for watching and bye. Skype and Mike.